Hey there, foodies and health enthusiasts. Welcome back to Yo-Yo Video channel, where we explore all things delicious and nutritious. Today, we are diving into a topic that's perfect for those of you looking to shed a few pounds or simply maintain a healthy lifestyle. We are talking about the top 10 super low-calorie foods that you can enjoy guilt-free. So, if you are ready to revamp your diet, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Segment 1, Leafy Greens. Our first contender in the low-calorie department is none other than leafy greens. Whether it's crisp lettuce, nutrient-packed spinach, or the peppery goodness of arugula, these greens are a dieter's best friend. Not only are they virtually calorie-free, but they are also packed with essential vitamins and minerals to keep you feeling your best. Segment 2, Celery. Next up, we have celery. This crunchy and refreshing vegetable is practically water in solid form, making it incredibly low in calories. Snack on some celery sticks with a light dip, and you'll satisfy your cravings without sabotaging your calorie count. Segment 3, Cucumber. Cucumbers are another excellent choice. They are hydrating thanks to their high water content, and they won't break your calorie bank. Perfect for salads, sandwiches, or simply as a snack, cucumbers are versatile and nutritious. Segment 4, Radishes. If you are looking to add some zing to your meals, consider radishes. These vibrant veggies are low in calories and high in flavor. They can add a delightful crunch and a touch of spice to your salads or snacks. Segment 5, Zucchini. Zucchini, also known as courgette, is a versatile low-calorie option. You can spiralize it into noodles, roast it, or add it to stir-fries. It's a fantastic way to bulk up your meals without packing on the calories. Segment 6, Tomatoes. Tomatoes may not be the first thing that comes to mind when you think of low-calorie foods, but they are relatively low in calories, especially when eaten raw. Plus, they are rich in antioxidants and vitamins. Segment 7, Mushrooms. Mushrooms are a savory delight that's light on calories. They can be a great meat substitute in dishes like mushroom risotto or a tasty addition to omelets and salads. Segment 8, Bell Peppers. Bell peppers come in a rainbow of colors and flavors, and they are incredibly low in calories. Use them in your stir-fries, salads, or as a crunchy snack. Segment 9, Broccoli. Broccoli is not only nutrient-dense but also low in calories. Steam it, roast it, or add it to your favorite pasta dishes for a healthy and satisfying meal. Segment 10, Strawberries. Lastly, satisfy your sweet tooth with strawberries. Berries, in general, are low in calories, and strawberries are no exception. They are a delicious way to enjoy a guilt-free dessert or snack. There you have it, folks, our top 10 super low-calorie foods that are not only good for your waistline but also for your overall health. Remember, incorporating these foods into your diet can help you achieve your wellness goals without sacrificing flavor. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Yo-Yo Video channel for more tasty and nutritious content. Thanks for joining us today, and we will see you in the next video.